Tell me about yourself.
My name is Muhammad Afiq bin Hamid and I'm from Sanakan Sabah. I am 20 years old and I recently graduated from Polytechnic Sanakan Sabah with a diploma in aquaculture. While there, I learned a lot of theory and practical in subjects like breeding and fry management, grow out and more. I've worked hard in my education and now I'm ready to apply my knowledge into practice.
What was your favorite subject at Polytechnic and why?
My favorite subject is aquaculture feed because I can learn how to process of making fish food because it is a major factor for the growth of fish and this subject is a lot of practical activity.
What do you know about my company?
The little I know about your company is a large and extensive exporter of shrimp and reaches up to overseas.
What is your best work experience?
I have spent 6 years managing my dad business and renting sound system for an event. The experience I have gained from those years are useful because I can handle various kind of customer well other than that and solve any problem when facing dissatisfaction of customer when a queue beside from working with sound system. I also used to work at KFC restaurant. The time I spent working there made me flexible to be able to multitask jobs because I manage the counter, sometimes manage the kitchen.
Ladies are more patient compared to men. Explain.
Because ladies are born with soft heart and give up easily. Other than that, ladies much more mature than men, and that's why ladies think more rationally than men. Besides, ladies' communication skill much more relevant because ladies talk softly and gently compared to men.